Okay, now this question, class 6, from exercise 1D, question number 4, is a matching question. You have been given international system in column A, and in column B, the Indian system of numbers. We have to match with the appropriate international system with the appropriate Indian system. Now, to understand this one, I have drawn a table over here. Now this 200,000. Now in this table you can see I have both the systems. You have the international system on the top and its equivalent Indian system at the bottom. Okay, you can see over here the international system, the top one is international system and the bottom one is Indian system. So Indian system ones corresponds with international system ones, tens also corresponds with the international system, India's hundreds correspond with international's 100, 1000 also corresponds with international's 1000, 10,000 of Indian corresponds with 10,000 of international. The change occurs here from lakh. Lakh is 100,000, 10 lakh is million, crore is 10 million, 10 crores is 100 million, and then you have 100 crore, or we say Arab, 1 Arab is a billion. So now the numbers that are given in the international system, first let us write it in this table. So our first number is 200,000. So here is 200,000, here 100,000 house, I will write 2, then followed by zeros. So if I want to convert this 200,000 into our Indian system, it comes in lakhs, no? 2 lakh. Okay, in lakhs house you have 2. So it corresponds with 2 lakh. So 200,000 equals to 2 lakh. So you can see over here 200,000, that is number 1. I have matched it with column B with 2 lakh here. Number 1 represents D, that is 2 lakh. Next is 2 billion. Okay, let's see in our chart where will 2 billion be. Here is billions house, as you can see over here, billion. In that I have written 2. 2 billion in Indian system represents 100 crore. 100 crores, which is also called as Arab. So 2 billion represents 200 crores. Okay, 200 crores. So you can see 2 billion I have matched with here, or C of column B, 200 crores. Next is 20 million. Let us match 20 million in our column, 20 million in international with our Indian system. Let us see which one it corresponds to. So in this column of 10 million I will write 2, so that means 20 million. 20 million represents 2 crores. In this table that I have drawn, representing 10 million represents crore, so 20 million will be 2 crores, 2 crore. So our 20 million corresponds with 2 crores. So you can see over here 20 million is matched with 2 crore. 3 matched with A of column B, that is 2 crore. At the end you have 2 million. Let us see in this table that I have drawn, 2 million corresponds with what in Indian system. So this 2 I am going to write under million, because 2 million. So here is million for us. Under that I have written 2. So 2 million represents what? 10 lakh. Okay. So 2 million will be 20 lakh. So 2 million matches with 20 lakh. Okay. So this is our matching of Indian system with international with Indian.